Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the cover image of your course on Skool. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the cover image of one of your courses on Skool. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the classroom. And let's say that we want to go ahead and edit the course image of this product right here. Now, once you've gone ahead and clicked on these three dots, you should have an option to edit the course. And then from here, you could actually edit the cover image here. So click on change or click on upload. And then let's find that cover image we downloaded and then click on save. So once you have that saved, you should see it appear here and then click on save again. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit the cover image of your course on Skool. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.